We have there's a they've got a lot of maple trees there, so they actually have there's a demand for some maple product.
So right where that red light is where the glue goes.
So then after this goes to the side, we're going to see those stages. We're going to see these stages down this decline, and the decline drops again.
Oh, it's coming back.
other side. At this point, we're going to see it stop again. We're going to see that gate open. That operator is going to come down. He's going to fix that first few that are a little bit upset, right? And then once he's happy with those, then he kicks a couple of those around just to make sure the spacing in between the matches, right?
So how big is that joint spacing between?
It's going to get pressed, so there won't be any.
So it'll be zero.
Oh,
Once it
zero,
goes through
yeah.
the press, all of that stuff, like
Got
any
it.
wane or anything
So-
that's in there will
So
be.
once he steps out, after he's happy with that, you're going to see that end press is actually going to press it on this side as well and eat up a bunch of that space.
Yeah, going into the press, there's going to be, it's a little bit, it's not totally tight, but once it comes out of the press, then it's completely, all those pockets or what are gone.
So and then just from a quality control standpoint, in order to get here, right? When our product, after it comes through this process and we cut the edges off, we're going to take all those edges and we're going to basically just traffic testing is going to go on where we're going to do delamination testing, shear testing. The lamellars themselves, as they're in here doing PCR on the rip that apart. Have to get a fail.
So I'm not. No, we don't do 4-ply. So we're doing. It's either going to be a 3-ply, a 5-ply, a 7-ply, or a 9-ply. I'm guessing this is probably
Similar to this, is able to tap the front end. Now we're going to put glue and then come back, and then these arms are going to. So that's the process we're at now, right? We're putting glue on the transverse layer.
So right now you see that.
So once you can everything together, the right goes down, so you're supposed to keep that engine tight, like nothing.
And technically, they're strong enough to hold it from falling over, but they're not. Yeah. Okay. So what is the CSI on the Well, I don't know. Yeah. It's lots. I think it's more than that, but I don't. Yeah, the only risk that we run with the radiant braking speed is if there's too much moisture content in the wood, which is why it's so important for us to get it like the moisture content that we're after.
So it's on the beams, 6 inches.
Got it.
And that's based on the APA guideline in order for us to stamp it with that grade.
I know.
Oh yeah, that's it is
Yes.
Better quality.
Yes. Yeah. So now
McDonald's
McDonald's
coffee is
actually
better.
has like a better coffee.
I find that Tim Hortons sometimes tastes it's almost a little has that certain flavor to it. The membranes, the sealers, all of that was all manually done here.
Okay, so every single piece is going to be different. Every single panel.
These guys are really good at wrapping
Goes
things.
through. It comes on by the robotic arm, so it's a film that's applied mechanically.
Yeah, it's on a roll.